I'm gonna work the last row of the ribbing and show you how to work the first row of the body. So I start by chaining one, and then I'm gonna slip stitch in the back loop all the way across. So after I finish my last row of ribbing, I don't turn. I stay here and I rotate my work 90 degrees clockwise. And this is the edge that we will gonna work our row 1 on. Don't change the hook now. And in every between columns, you will have to work 2 stitches. So I start by chain 1, and this is like half column. So I'm gonna work just 1 stitch here. And the stitches all are single crochet, and make sure they are looser. So 1 stitch here and 2 stitches in the next column. And 2 stitches between those 2 columns. And continue to work until you have the right amount of stitches.